honestly, I mean, collaborative robots are a thing. Robot-human interaction is good. Honestly, the real key is safety. Safety is always the most important thing. So no matter what you're doing, when you have a human and robot interaction, the most important thing should be safety. On this display we have here, we have
the sensor
area scanners that make sure that this robot is working in a safe environment. First initial step, it slows it down, puts it in a forced low power mode, which is very safe. Then the second step, when you get close enough to it, actually stops the robot, powers it down, makes sure that there is no opportunity for an
So if I walk into the yellow area,
correct,
what's going to happen?
It's going to slow down. So if you start walking up to it closely, you can look at the sensor. You see how it goes orange there?
Yeah.
The robot's still on, but it moves
It's
in a very
down.
low power state. So this is the state that it will work in when you're teaching points, when you're interacting with the robot, low power state. If I were to grab that arm right now, it would servo out, it would not hit me. Now, if I get closer to the robot, you see the sensor goes red.
Yeah.
What that is doing is actually triggering our safety door circuitry. So it's pausing our program, you heard the motors go off. There's a light that tells you the motors are off, the brakes are on, the robot comes to a controlled stop right when that's triggered, right? What's great about this is now when I step back out again, so you can almost say, imagine this was a work cell that was enclosed with an input door for feeding it parts for pieces, and an output door for finished product, right? I'm gonna walk up, I'm the operator, I'm gonna feed it parts, so it's stopped, I'm putting the things in.
Maybe bolt or something?
Yeah, whatever, bolts, any parts that it's gonna assemble, I'm stepping out, and it turns back on, it goes back to what it's doing. Right back, so I don't have to hit reset, I don't have to do any of that stuff, it goes right back to what it's doing, and then when it finishes parts, I come back over, I put my hand in that little door, take out the finished parts. Once again, it goes right back to where it's doing it.
Good.
But
awesome.
human-robot interaction should always be focused on safety.
On safety first.
And that really is. Most of our manufacturing is in Japan. Yeah. Even our low-cost robots, we've moved to Japan. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, William.
Thank you so much.